Hello, this is Manny Charles, and welcome to my short presentation. I guess this week is my week to showcase my one of my business. One of the things before I get started, I would just like to introduce myself. As I used to be a mortgage loan officer for 6.5 years, very successful, making quite a bit of money a month, and I found myself stuck with. I had 7 houses with approximately off the top of my head, I think I had 10 loans because I had first and second mortgage on most of these homes, and I was falling behind, and I could not believe someone that was making that kind of money that could basically have this difficulty. So I made a switch about a year ago to help homeowners help them modify their loans so they can afford. That's what loan modification means, is a change in an original term where we can make their loan more affordable. Now the second step is this community website that I designed. As you can see in front of you, it says unlock the secret in rescuing your home from foreclosure. Now you do not have to be in foreclosure if the client cannot make their mortgage payment because they are either lost their income, reduced income, or they're upside down, which is very popular nationwide. Value of homes have dropped and they can't refinance. This is a perfect situation for them. This community website that I designed will help communicate with them via podcast, video, presentation, and blogs in order to communicate with the clients. Now, one of the things that I want to show you is the my old website, and this is my old website. Basically, it's just I call it a brochure site. It's not so much interactive, but it does give you some information of who we are. As you can see on top right corner, the attorney that underwrites this file, our file, has been doing it since 1986. One thing that you should know, we do not collect money up front as a fee, but we do require the client that they start posting their payment into a trust account in order to start repaying their loan. Now I want to show you this case study because I know you want to know some facts. So I want to show you something that happened today. Today's March 3rd, so you can see what's happening currently. Now this is a client that started, if I'm not mistaken, around February 14th, if I'm not mistaken, around this time of 17, when we started the actual process with the client. When they started the process at the 18th, I believe that's when it started. That's actually, yep, correct. And we got a resolution today. Fast forward, their rate, just so you know, this client had 4 miscarriage. The wife did. The husband lost, or is about to lose, his investment property, where the value of his property went from 360 to down to 50 because it got vandalized with the broken pipes and all. And also his pay got reduced in pay. He no longer gets overtime. So now, as you can see, the rate that he got was 3% for the first 12 months. His payment is now $764.10, and then the year after, his payment is going to be 3.694 for the second 12 months, and then thereafter is 5%. So we have a client that haven't paid their mortgage since September, having a preferential rate than somebody that is paying their mortgage. That is amazing, folks. One of the things that I'm going to do this week to help, because I know you help promote my business, is that I'm going to incentivize you, because you're helping me, of $150 for every lead that closes this week, or at least the client wants to move forward. $150. That will go towards your business. And not to mention, by lowering their payment, the client will be grateful that you introduce them to a solution. If you're an insurance person, they can retain their insurance. If you are a food service provider, they have more money to disposable income. If you are a non-profit organization or the government, working for the government, less taxing, less burden on our taxpayer money. So the other thing I want to talk to you about is how to help you produce more income through lead generation, which is my other business. I help people generate leads for their business in terms you would help. I'm hoping that you would help promote my business at the same time. So the lead generation is for people that are serious about growing their business to the next level. 99% of the tools are not my tools. They're just strategy that you guys may not be aware on how to use it. Everything from MySpace to Google to video presentation, podcasts, blogs, and the importance of it. If you're a nonprofit organization, this is a good way to communicate with your clients, past clients, and future clients. And the last thing is basically I'm creating an affiliate link. It's more like you have an actual link that would be your link that permanently anyone that goes to your site, you'll have your own site, your own blog that I will set for you, and that you will get a commission forever for every time, whether you're sleeping or not, or you can put it in your advertising and whatever it may be. If you're sending it to your list, if you're a financial planner, this is perfect. If you're a insurance broker, this is even much better to help your homeowners in trouble. So anyway, my website is www.optimumloansolution.com. That's the main website. I will also send you a video presentation of what loan modification is and how we help other people. And my phone number is 401-270-4582. Let's stay in touch, and we'll go from there. Thank you. You have a blessed day.